yours crystal designs also is dipping powders and liquid dipping powder and acrylic powder. We're doing a dipping methods and then monomer methods. So this is one of the really collection that we love it so much that we want you to have it, especially for spring and summer coming. I'm gonna place this about maybe about 70%.
You gonna do ombre?
Nope. Well, I could, but I'm swatching the color. Then like I'm gonna do 2 beads.
I got you.
So if a lot of you are doing 2 beads for the clients, definitely it's going to be for you. I do a lot of my clients, I do 2 beads though. Sometimes I doing a swatching online or do video, you see me do 1 bead. But don't let this like Instagram fool you so much, because I can edit from 10 beads to be 1 bead. You will never know. So don't beat yourself so hard when you're doing liquid and powder. When you start with the liquid and powders, when you're just start fresh with school, or even you're doing it like many years in your career. Just enjoy and do what the best for you. Look, even though if you don't have a great followers on Instagram, doesn't mean that your salon won't book. Don't let it being fool to you. So the same thing with any techniques you're doing. It looks just anything is you seeing it just for your preference, but you do you, what it makes you happy. So its followers is one of the way for you to just kind of like to see that, you know, how do I say, like active and sharing on it. But if you're doing 10 beats, doesn't mean that you don't have a clients. The only person do 1 beats will have all the clients. Is that make sense? I don't know. I'm just being goof around, I think. I mean, just like to general, basically general, it doesn't matter. Whatever you do, you be happy. You can do 10 beats, 20 beats. I don't know, take 20 beats for this nails, but doesn't matter how many beats you do it and do the best and you're enjoying it. Don't be like feeling intimidating by on social media. You have to have 1 beat, you have to have a perfect this, perfect that to make a successful business. Absolutely no. I don't think so. If you do it, it's great, it's a bonus. But if not, then it's great too. So don't have to practice like crazy 1 beats and beat yourself so hard on it. Just do you and be happy. This is one of the advice if all the beginners or all the nail tech who is going to the nail school and want to be successful in the business, in the nails business, just let you know